Hello student. Today I am going to explain about the balancing a chemical equation. For balancing a chemical equation, we are taking here a method. What is the name of this method? Heat and trial method. Through this method, you can easily understand how to balance a chemical equation. First, before explaining this method, we are taking here one example. Through this example, you can easily understand. First rule of this method is make box around the elements and compounds present in a chemical equation. So it is the one of the easiest rule. Make boxes around the elements and compounds. You can see here I made the boxes around the elements and compounds. Now second rule. What is the second rule? According to the second rule, list the atoms of the elements present in an unbalanced chemical equation. So how to make the list? Let us see. First we have to write here name of the elements: iron, hydrogen and oxygen, and we have to write here left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side means this side elements and right hand side means that set of elements. So here iron, number of iron atom 1, hydrogen, number of hydrogen atom 2, oxygen, number of oxygen atom 1, and right hand side there are 3 iron atoms, 2 hydrogen atoms and 4 oxygen atoms. So first we have to make a list of the elements. Next we'll choose the biggest compound or formula in the chemical equation. So you can see here which one is the biggest compound. You can see here iron oxide. This one is the biggest compound in this chemical equation. After that, we have to balance the chemical equation. Before balancing chemical equation, you must know we do not alter or change the formula. Understood? We do not alter the formula or changing the formula. Now you can see here 1 iron atom and 3 iron atoms in right hand side. So first we have to write here 3 Fe. We have to put the coefficient value 3 Fe plus H2O, Fe3O4 plus H2. So iron is balanced, left hand side and right hand side. Now again observe the chemical equation. Iron is balanced but oxygen is not balanced. You can see here left hand side oxygen, there is only 1 atom, and their side 4 atoms. So we have to give the coefficient value for oxygen atom 3Fe plus 4H2O. So 4 into 1 equals to 4. So 4 oxygen here and their side also 4 oxygen. So oxygen is balanced. Now again observe the chemical equation. 3Fe 4H2O plus Fe3O 4 and 4H2. So here we have to write 4H2. So 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. 8 hydrogen here and 8 hydrogen here also. So it is the balanced chemical equation. So through this method we can easily understand a balancing chemical equation. To make it more informative, we have to give the state of the elements or compound. So iron, it is present in solid state. Water, it is present in gaseous state. Iron oxide, it is present in solid state, and hydrogen, it is present in gaseous state. Now students, through this method you can easily balance a chemical equation. Thank you.